Hi everyone, Michelle here from Strawberry Designs, and today I am doing some Bible journaling in First Peter chapter 1 verse 23. I'm using my Faber Castell gelatos. These are kind of a waxy crayon type thing that is also like a watercolor. It mixes with water, and I'm trying some different things with them, drying it in between. I found that if I used a baby wipe over the gelato, that it was maybe just a little too much liquid, so I kind of did a cross between using the baby wipe and using my finger to get this shade. Behind the page, I just have a page protector to protect my page, and I am about to do something that I've never done in my Bible before, and that is draw across the words. I realized that the gelatos were very light and faint and that you could still read the words behind, so I decided to cover my entire page. Usually, I don't do that. I like to have the words not covered, but since you could see through it, I went for it this time. Now I'm using my Faber-Castell Pitt marker to just write out verse 123 right there in the margin. I did kind of, before I started, made sure that I would have enough room to get all the way down to the bottom. Every once in a while, I will pick a word that means a little bit more to write it in a little bit different handwriting. So I picked the word purified, obeying, truth, sincere love, love, deeply, and heart to write them just slightly different. After I finish writing them, I will go back with my marker and I will use a thicker marker on the downstrokes to make it look a little bit more fancy. I picked up these stickers last year at Valentine's, so they're about a year old from Dollar Tree, but they say love and everything all over them, and they've got a little dimension, so I thought that they would work perfect on this page because the verse is, "Now that you have purified yourselves by obeying the truth, so that you have sincere love for each other, love one another deeply from the heart." At my church, we are studying First Peter right now, and this verse just really kind of stood out to me as just being just really cool and meaningful about how we do need to love each other deeply, from the heart, and that we need to obey God, but we also need to love, and that's part of obeying God. So then I go in with my red marker and I'm making just a couple of highlights here and there, boxing some letters, doing some dots and some extra lines and strokes around some of the highlighted words so that they will stand out a little bit more. I also use the red marker to underline the actual verse where it's written in the Bible. And I will also use my markers to go around the stickers so they pop out a little bit more on the page. I found a paper clip that looks like a heart, so I'm using that for my bookmark. And my final step is always to write the date on the page. And I hope that you enjoyed this Bible journaling today, and I hope that you will like this video, subscribe, tell all your friends, and have a great day crafting away.